Hello, you must be,
Amanda? You work here?
Yep, for the past
This
year.
isn't gonna be weird, is it?
Why would it be weird?
Because you're my ex-girlfriend.
No, it's strictly professional. That's in the past, so I've got to fill this out. When was your last doctor's
2 weeks
visit?
ago?
It's good. How many times a week do you drink?
None.
Wow, a lot has changed. How many times a week do you work out?
2?
You look good.
I think you dropped your shirt a little bit there.
Oops. Do you have any emergency contacts?
My mom?
I'm gonna call her and tell her I say hi. Miss her so much. Have you been showering?
Yeah.
Manscaping.
Yes.
Do you still leave the toilet seat up? Because that was gross.
Amanda,
Are
what
you
is...
currently sexually active?
Amanda.
No, Christian.
I'm not having this
Okay,
conversation
well,
with
it's
you.
on the sheet, so we have to.
I don't have to have this conversation with you.
Okay, well,
I don't
need to know. We need to know. The doctor needs closure.
Yes!
Ow! Okay. Currently unconscious. I'll send the doctor in.